this video, we show you one of the best model available in the market today. We will provide you with the key features and benefits of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Get powerful performance without the hassles of gas. Rule the outdoors with the 18-volt X2 LXT 25.5-inch hedge trimmer. It's powered by two 18-volt batteries for maximum performance and runtime. That means no gas, lower noise, less maintenance, and zero emissions. The hedge trimmer has a 25.5-inch blade and faster blade speed for efficient cutting. You get up to 60 minutes of runtime, but with lower noise at only 86.5 dB. It has 6 speed settings and a 5-position rotating rear handle. So when you're putting a clean edge on a vertical, horizontal, or angled hedge, the Makita hedge trimmer allows you to match the speed and handle position to the application. You get it all, but without the noise, emissions, maintenance, and expense of a gas-powered hedge trimmer. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. With the fastest charge times, Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.
Why we recommend this product. And these are rating for this product.